Me, Grandma, Grandpa. What were you going to say, Ava?
Grandpa, Grandpa.
What do you want to tell Grandma, Grandpa?
I want to go to Disney World.
You want them to come too?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
Truman.
And Truman, that's nice.
Not Daddy and Mommy.
Not Daddy and Mommy? Just you, Grandma, Grandpa, and Truman?
Yeah.
Okay. Who lives in Disney World? Who lives in Disney World?
Ava.
Oh, Ava wants to live there. Does Dora live there?
No.
Does Minnie Mouse live there? She does. What?
Daisy Duck.
And Daisy Duck, and who else?
Not Truman.
Not Truman?
Yes, he going to Disney World.